didn't get it on camera, guys. This is actually a Superleggera. Talking about the DBS, the Aston Martin. Oh. This is a perfect car for when you're just going for a drive out in the mountain range. This is immaculate with the pedal shifters as well. This is something else. So I was actually walking around here and look what I found. The Audi iX. Jeez.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
This is something else. If you don't know anything about this car, it actually, I don't know if this one can, but it actually can change colors from black to white and white to black, like literally. And the small detailing of the car, like this looks sick. Check out that center console, how huge it is. Jeez, this is something else. Oh yeah, and it's also full electrical, because as you can see right here, there is no grill openings or anything, so it is fully electrical. But there, BMW laser, I wonder what that does. But this looks awesome, man. Like, gents, look at this car. This is definitely something special. Yeah, this is definitely so. Like, look at how small the doors are. Tazz, yeah,
And you
could see.
operated by battery? No.
Stove gas.
Yes. Yes.
Jeez, imagine this is a Tazz, guys. Yeah, this is something else. This is really innovative. A Tazz. This is something else. Built by Offensive. Yeah, this is something else, guys. This is a Tazz. Like, I'm still shocked. Look at the exhaust. Nah, this is something else. Prototype version 1. Jeez. Yes, this is something else. But yeah, guys, I just came up here to Daytona from the event, which is down there. Came to do a bit of spotting and take a couple of pictures for you guys with this GT3 right here. So always popping off at Melrose Arch. With this C63 right here. Well, guys, we'll come back to that. We have to talk about that car. Have another GT3 RS this time. Like, look at the accents of these cars. Like, look at the accent of this car. With the carbon fiber intakes. This is nice. This is very nice with the R8 right there at the back. And then we come to this beauty right here. This Lambo. This is great. I think I have made it up to you guys for not being here for such a long. Jesus Christ. I'm a McLaren sin.
I see this before.
And you see the one in the
Jeez. So I'm guessing we have. Now I think we have over 2 McLaren Sinners in South Africa. With this one right here and Rachel Singh. Check him out on Instagram. I'll pop his page right here on the video. Daytona is always coming through. Jeez. Right.